yeah, it was right above me. Power keeps going on and off. Yowza. I see 3 or 4 bunnies out there like they don't know what to do. They're going in circles. That's really strange. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes between lightning bolts on the back side of this thunderstorm. This is the wind. Still, there's more lightning in this one. Hang on to your patooties. Whoa. Oh, here comes the water. Well, the trees are disappearing in the distance. That's heavy rain coming here. It's probably a little hail too. I didn't see a hail shaft right there, but you can't see it when it's right there. Okay, here we go. Hang on to your britches. Just lost a branch. Ooh, doggy. Oh! Ooh. I threw him a wheelbarrow out there. Now it's a weapon. Hang on, Blazer. Got to get mine. Watch out, Peter.